Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this green ethereal gothic makeup look. And for this makeup look, I'm using the Blightmoon palette from Nioricorn, and starting with this green shade, putting it in the crease and blending upwards. Next, I'm using this Wraithwood shade, which is a dark greenish gray, and I'm putting this in the outer corners and the inner corners, meeting in the middle in the crease. Then using the black shade, and using this all over the eyelid and then blending into the crease. Then after blending, I'm adding more black to the outer corners. Then extending that light green shade underneath the eyes. And adding some of the black underneath the eye as well. And filling in the waterline with black eyeliner. Then using the Chimeweed shade, which is a sparkly green, and adding that to the middle of the eye over top of the black. And going over the top of the areas where we put the light green. And that completes this ethereal green gothic makeup look. I really like the combination of the darker shades with the sparkles. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.